打折是什么意思？打折 means discount. But in Chinese and in English, it has different meanings. So for example, let's look at 2月4号2016年他就说6折、7折、8折、8.8折。2月5号、2月6号。So with the days approaching, they have different discount for different things, right? And this one, 1件8.8折 ,2件7.8折 Okay, I will stop here and then go into the explanation. 好，我们来看一看。So, 6折 means 60% of the original price. So it basically means you get 40% off. So if a piece of clothes is 100元 $100, how much will it after 6折? So it's 100 times 60%. It should be 60元. So it's basically $40 or 40% off. 7折, right, it's 70% of the original price. So it's 30% off. So if it's 100元, how much will it be now? Right, 70元, it's 30% off. So 8折 is 80% of the original price. So how much off? Yes, 20% off. So if a piece of cloth is 100元, now it's 20元. Sometimes we like to have lucky numbers like 8.8, 8.8. 8 means garage. So 8.8折 is how much of the original price? 88%. So how much off? 12% off. So now it should be $88. Right? 好 So 我们可以看一下这里 Christmas sale 圣诞聚会秋冬新品部分款式3到5折 So now here you can say up to 50 to 70% off. It's a little bit tricky here because 5折 is 50% of the original price. So if you have 50% of the original price, it's 50% off. 30% of the original price, now it's 70% off. So if you see 折, usually it's 10% of the original price, right? So is the number lower the better or higher the better? For example, 1折 better, 1折 is better, or 9折 is better. Right, because if it's the original price, the percentage of the original price, so 1折 10% of the original price is much better than 9折. 1折 means 90% off. Alright, here you can see 1件 8.8折. If you buy one piece, it's 88% of the original price, 12% off. So if you buy 2件 or 2件, 2 pieces, how much will you get the percentage off? Right, it's 70%, 78% of the original price, so it's 22% off. Okay, a math problem here for you. So you can just do it in your workbook or like in your practice book and just tell me how much I pay for the clothes. 如果周老师买了一件衣服，原价是90美元，现在打了6折。现在周老师为这件衣服付了多少钱？好的，谢谢，再见。